All right, so we are at another open house today, and this one is with the Dick Betts team, and Kendall Glasgow is the realtor, and we're looking at a really nice home. Just the amazing, look at the size of this tree up here, and beautiful decoration, double car garage. Really a really great location because we're probably got about 6 golf courses. You can get to Brownwood and Spanish Springs and Sumter. All the shopping's close by. And Kendall's here, so we're going to be looking. This is a 3-bedroom model.
Hello.
There she is. All right, so how big is this place?
So the square footage is 1539.
Yep.
It has the guest quarters on this side with a bedroom that has some office.
Let's have a look. Split plan, right?
Yep. Has the pocket door where you can close off.
That's really nice to separate the house from one side to the other. This is a big size room actually with the built-in office space.
Yep.
All right, yeah, that works. And then there's the bathroom in between. And then what do we got down here?
We have another bedroom and a linen closet in the hall.
Nice and bright because of the big window.
When I did my research, I determined that this is a maple model.
Maple, okay.
Which is what I'm saying is an extended Amarillo. Amarillo is a little bit smaller, usually more in the 1,300 square foot range. But as far as the design, it's very, very similar.
Okay.
This does have the added Florida room in the back. So you have air conditioning, windows all around. It goes out to a small patio.
Cool. Let's have a look here. So we've got the living space here.
Yep. High ceilings make it a little more spacious.
TV at the front.
There are Corian, black Corian countertops. The black and white kind of gives it a little modern feel.
Bosch dishwasher and gas stove, which is really nice. It looks like they've upgraded the lighting. Lots of cupboard space. And we've got off the laundry room.
And then in the laundry room, it does have the washing tub, and it has a storage for pantry where a lot of, like the Amarillo has your HVAC is in there.
Right.
So that's kind of a nice feature here.
Yeah, it definitely feels bigger, right?
Yeah, 200 square feet does kind of a lot.
I always tell people like 200 square feet, a normal bedroom's like 10 by 10. So it's 2 extra rooms really, right? 200 square feet.
And the bathroom is an upgrade too because it has the his and her closets, which is different from the Amarillo. And then it has a water closet, so your toilet has the little slider door.
Do you know which is the hers closet and which is the his closet?
Whichever one's bigger is the hers.
Yeah, and as Scooter the DJ would say,
I'm saying this is hers.
the one on the right because the women are always right.
Oh,
That's what
I like
Scooter
that.
would tell you, right?
I would have agreed with you.
So we got Corian counters, really nice space. And then this Florida room, because it's enclosed, is extra living space, which is another probably 150 square feet back here. Right?
And even though there's a house back behind here, I know a lot of people have an issue with privacy. There is privacy because there's bushes completely full, so you have no view of anyone's lanai.
And it's a corner lot, so there's no one to this side of the house.
Right.
Which is nice.
Another feature I really like are the flooring. It's the tile, and the tile it's the same in every room. It extends from all the guest bedrooms to the main living to the bathrooms to the laundry
And if you're
room.
looking, like if this is something that you're looking for as an investment, having tile throughout is amazing because then you can have it pet friendly, which adds so much more opportunity for renters. And then you've got a small patio back here.
Yep, and I can open this and
You got your grill back here.
oh, if I can open the door.
There we go.
Yep, so there's a grill.
Yeah.
It's a patio.
Oh, listen how
It could be
quiet it is
extended
back
out probably pretty easily.
here. Yeah, you could probably extend that out and put on a bird cage if you wanted to. Yeah, that's nice. All right, so where are we at for price on this one?
This one is listed at $399.
Okay.
turnkey option.
Okay.
And it's very close to so many things. There's the new Costco is just about 1.5 miles north.
I was there on Saturday and swear I'll never go back on Saturday. Oh my God.
If it compared to some others, like my girls live in St. Pete. When I go to that Costco, it's crazy, way worse than this one.
Yeah.
Every day, and it's not even new.
Right.
So for me, it really
Relative.
wasn't terrible.
But that's a nice feature because we've been waiting for a Costco for years.
Yeah,
So
and
that's
there's other shopping up there as well. There's medical up there. It's also super close to some golf courses. Pimco is less than 1 mile. Churchill Greens, Belmont, Palmer Legends, those are all within 2 miles of this location.
So that's like 5 to 10 minutes on a golf cart. It's nothing.
Yep.
And then how far are we from the squares?
So if you, Lake Sumter is about 4 miles,
Yep.
Spanish Springs is a little over 6, and Brownwood is about 7.
Oh,
So within half an hour
yeah,
on a golf cart to go to your nightly entertainment.
that's fantastic. All right, well,
All right.
let me just get a view of the information here. So there's Kendall's phone number, and you can message her and get more information on this wonderful property. What village are we in?
It's the village of Belvedere.
Belvedere. Okay.
And another real feature, I think, is the taxes are pretty low right here.
Okay.
Last year they were $2,859.
Wow.
So $2,859, which there is still a low bond on top of that. So the bond is less than, I think right now it's probably less than $4,000.
Oh, geez.
So we have a very small bond and low taxes, which is appealing to a lot of people.
Fantastic. All right. Well, thank you very much for the tour.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.